Hi everyone, my name is Rose and this is the update for my Stardew project pan. So let's get into the items. First off is for Clint, and I finished it. I got like halfway and then I mixed it with 2 other polishes. This was like so coated in the bottle that I had to put so much thinner to get it even a little bit clear. Like, you see how clear it is now? Like, that took so much thinner. So like, yeah, but this is finally moving out. Yay! So yes, so something's done moving now. I'll talk about it later. Next I have this peach hand cream for Robin, and I'll show you where it was last time. This is where I am now. I did poke through to the bottom like two uses ago or something, because I wanted to see how far away, because I felt like I wasn't that far away. So yes, I think I can finish off in the next month, because it is like a rounded bottom. It's not like cornered, but yeah. I'm gonna use this 8 times, so that's okay amount of times. So yeah, next is for Shane, and I have 6 uses now, which I think I only use it twice. I'm wearing it today, but like, I mixed part of this into here. That's why it doesn't mix well. It's too thick to mix well. But yeah, so this is what it looks like now, and I think this pink is way more flattering than last pink. It was more of like this brighter pink, and now it's like almost this like mauve kind of pink. So like, it's really pretty. And yeah, I like recently cut some bangs, and I'm not sure how I feel about them. They kind of poke my eyeballs, but this is also day like 4 or 5 of not washing my hair, so like, they're kind of awful looking right now anyways. So my goal is to reach 10 uses on this, so hopefully I can do it next time. I think I really wanted to do it this time because I didn't need that many more, but like, I didn't reach it. And I was thinking about just getting rid of this in this project, but then, because I'm still debating throwing this out after it moves out of this project, but how much I like the color now, I'm like, oh, I should just use it some more before I throw it out. And I'm like, but it's so thick and it takes forever to dry. But I mean, it's really pretty now, and like, I'll get to 10 uses and then I'll probably keep it around for a couple months, and I'm like, I should just throw that out one day, and then that's gonna be that. So there's that. And then next is for Gus. I only used this one more time. Like, I had 1 use in the last update when I rolled it in, because I used it that time, and I used it today. That's all I did. My goal is to reach 20 uses. I used it right here in the inner part of my eye. I feel like a yellow fairy today, because like, look at my eyes, they're so pretty. I used the brand new palette that I just got in the mail today. Well, I technically got 4 palettes in the mail from this one brand, but I used a new palette, and it is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I'll just show it to you. I'm notorious for getting distracted in my videos anyways, and all. So this is it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I'll have it in the description box what the name of it is and everything, but beautiful. It's but it's called like Sweet Sunflower. So I'm like, sunflower fairy. I wish it had sunflower flower crown. The only flower crown I have is these orange red flowers that I made. Hold on one sec. this is the only flower crown I have that I made. I just did like 4 flowers and a couple of red leaves. And I have this weird thing too, but this is the only flower crown I have. I wish I had a sunflower one though. Like, it's still cute, but I don't wear that often. I got like all the things for it from Dollar Tree too, so if you want to make your own flower crowns. I think they only have it during like spring and summer time, but like you can make your flower crowns from Dollar Tree and stuff. So one more item. This Abigail Wet n Wild Scorpio gloss, because it's like, because she's all mysterious and Scorpios are mysterious. Although I'm a Scorpio and I don't think I'm mysterious at all. I think I'm just a space case. Space case who gets distracted by pretty shiny things. I'm just like dreaming about that palette now. I'm just like, I want to just touch it. I just want to swatch it over and over again, kind of. I'm just like, oh my god, I'm like in love with it. Like my heart is racing and I'm just like, oh my god, so pretty. I need to slow my heart rate. Jeez. I have 3 uses on this. I don't think I had any tallies when I rolled in, but yeah, I have 3 uses on it now. I'm not wearing it today because like I'm doing like this whole yellow thing, although my lips are more like an orange gloss mixed with like a nude lip kind of thing, because I don't eat yellow lip products because yellow is one of my least favorite colors to wear because I feel like it doesn't look good on me. But I'm just like so in love with this eye look. I have my amber plugs in from, I think these are from Plug Your Holes. I got these at Viktor at like a booth, but I think the website they're from is Plug Your Holes. I think it's from there, so I love them. Okay, time to roll in the last item because I used what did I use up? Clint, because I finally have the first 5 that I put in here used up. Okay, and I have decided finally that I'm going to bring this project back next year because it's easy rolling 5-pan, and I don't think I'm going to get through all the characters. I kind of want to get through all the characters. I'm talking too fast. My heart is racing again. Okay, I get too excited about too many things and I'm like, oh my god, I'm too high for ventilate. I really want to just pace back and forth right now. I'm a pacer. Like, I pace too easily. Okay. But, yeah. So, I'm going to bring it back next year. So, if you want to join next year, too, that's great. If it's just me next year, that's fine, too. I mean, it's for me. I made this project because it's fun. And if just me want to do it, then that's fine, too. Because I can do whatever projects I want to do. I can create whatever I want. It doesn't matter if anyone else does them. I mean, yeah, I appreciate when other people do them because then it's like spreading the love and stuff. Oh, that hurt my throat a little bit. This is why I can't get really excited because then sometimes my asthma acts up and then I'm like, oh my god, I can't breathe. Okay, breathe. But this is what I did. That took forever. This is a little sample of Spicebomb by Viktor and Rolf. I got it from Sephora. I think I may have used it once. It's right there. I want to finish this. I'm putting this in for Alex because Alex, he's like kind of has a green color story and it's green and that's why. But like he's kind of a jock and I feel like Spice jock, like Old Spice. Oh my god, I love Old Spice. Like Old Spice swagger is like one of my favorite scents ever. Like whenever I smell them, I'm like, oh my god, I need to attack whoever's wearing. I love that scent. But yeah, so there's only a little bit because it's just a sample. I think it shouldn't take that many uses, but you know, you never know. I'll make a line, but I'm hoping to use it up in one update thing. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it wasn't so like it's all over the place. That's how I am. And I have accepted me for me. And but I'll like go close to my eye again. Like, look at how pretty it is. I am beautiful. You know, it's just like some yellows and browns, and it's beautiful. And also, like, I have thumbnails of my videos for a while because the whole thing with the 3G going away, and I had a 3G phone with AT&T, through AT&T. I don't know if it's happening with all carriers, but I have AT&T, so I got the phone that they sent me, like the free phone that is literally so bad at everything. It even crashes when I try to text someone. Like, I have to press things, it's like a touch screen, but I have to press the button like 10 times for even to send a message. Like, it's so bad. And it's like I can understand like it's being slow with games and stuff, but like when it's slow on basic things like texting and calling, then it's like I'm not even use. So I got a new phone. I got it in the